Welcome back, garden friends. Today I got a fun little task for you. If you're anything like me, you probably might have spent this last year sitting down a little too much. I know for me personally, I was super sedentary. I was sitting down way too much, being a little lazier than I normally am. And so now I was out in the compost pile getting some work done. And as you know, compost is really important, but one of the most things you gotta do to speed up your compost is to snip it up, chop it up, mix it up. All right, so today we're gonna do a quick little garden workout. Maybe you could do it with me or do your own variation of it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go a little crazy. I'm gonna cut about 10 times, then I'm gonna chop 10 times, then I'm gonna cut 10 times, chop 10 times, and we'll see how far I could go before I wear out. Let's do a little bit. Maybe you could do something at home if you like it. But like I said, I spent way too much time this last year being sedentary, being lazy, sitting down, staying inside. Weather's nice, things are looking good. A lot of optimism, right? So in the garden, so it's time to get out here and get healthy, right? Healthy me, healthy you, healthy compost, healthy garden, healthy us. All right, so here we go. 3, 2, 1, chop. Right. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, boom, quick. All right. Now on your smaller pieces, you can 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10. All right. Woo. All right. 10 of those. 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, ooh, how's a pick piece? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, watch where you're cutting. 9, 10. Oh, one for good measure. Boom. Ah! There you go. All right, one last time through. All right, this is our third set. Here we go. 10 more with these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more cuts and we're home free. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I know I'm super out of shape and I've been too lazy this last year because I am hurting right now. My lungs are burning. My heart feels like a jackrabbit's inside my chest, but I feel good and I'm happy. I'm out in the garden. So I encourage you to get out into your compost pile, get a workout in. Even if you don't have one, still get a workout in. Because the best way to garden is if you're in good shape. Makes things a lot easier. So from our garden to yours, from our compost pile to yours, happy composting. Bye. If you enjoyed this video at all or learned a little bit, please hit that subscribe button. It would really help me out and it kind of adds to everything we do here. So if you could do that, that'd be awesome. Take care. Bye now.